Cosy Music is a physical music distribution wherein we develop a new way of distributing music physically. So if we will review the eras, we started with cassettes, then vinyls, and then CDs. And then after the CD actually, yun na po yung switch sa MP3.
Online,
What's
digital na.
digital na. So what's the next physical distributions? That our goal is to earn more for the artists.
Mm.
So wala na kasi yung
Yeah.
after MP3, which is what you want to bring back is the exclusiveness and the experience of physical distribution. So these are cards, and
Lapit natin
then
sa ano, lapit ko lang.
there's a barcode kasi we wanted to have like an experience with the audience na it's a trading card. So
Oh.
that's the sustainability part na hindi mo siya itatapon kasi may maghahanap at maghahanap niyan.
Oh, okay.
So the longer it gets na, for example, na discontinued na to,
Mm.
after years, since discontinued siya, lalaki yung value niya.